Huzur, Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salatu wasalam wrote in Al-Wasiyat that if 40 believers agree about a person that he is fit to be Khalifa of Masih Maud, then that person has got right to take initiation of those person. The question is, his question, what is the word 40, what does it symbolize here? And
I think the same 40 as you mentioned before, the 40 righteous people. If they accept initiation at the hands of a person, that person has to be the right Khalifa. So the word 40 indicates the 40 of the highest quality, not ordinary people. That is why when Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu was accepted by the Ummah, it was not because all the Ummah was present there and they elected him. Only a few were there. Maybe 40 were under them, under the rubber 40, but they were the righteous ones. And acceptance of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu as first caliph was corroborated by the submission of the entire world of Islam. So that is how it was done in the case of Hazrat Khalifa al-Masih Awwal radiyallahu ta'ala anhu as well.